Hello everyone, we are in Europe, the Nordic region. A century-old industry is hidden here.
And this is our main character, a small animal whose fate is tied to the global high fashion industry.
I am Robert. Welcome to my family's mink farm. Today, I will show you everything without hiding.
The primary purpose of this facility, of course, is for the mink pelts.
This is what we're looking for. The ferret's entire coat. At the moment it reaches its perfect quality.
To operate a place like this, everything must adhere to the process. This is Mr. Harris, our manager.
But in a way, this is the solution to reducing wildlife hunting. We provide a steady supply.
And it has been legal for decades in Europe. Join me as we delve deeper into this process.
This quality is...
Before we delve into the technical aspects, I would like to hear your opinion. Please comment below. We respect all viewpoints.
So where did this industry start? It wasn't always this scale.
This is a typical farm in Denmark. These facilities have developed over generations.
This boom happened partly because of the European climate. The cold north is very suitable for mink to develop the thickest coat.
The interesting thing is that this mink species is not native. They originated from the importation of South American mink.
Industrial-scale mink farming appeared in Europe in the 1920s. Nearly 100 years of history.
They are very active animals. Keeping them healthy in this environment is our biggest challenge.
Currently, Denmark is the largest producer and exporter of mink fur in the world. This is a serious business worth billions of dollars.
This industry exists for a simple reason: demand. People here and all over the world still love fur coats.
Now, let's skip the history. Let's start with the core process, the breeding season.
Everything starts in the spring. We have to prepare thousands of breeding nests like this. Straw is very important. We will cover their nesting sites with straw. They need a warm and private place to feel safe giving birth. And here are the results. The most important and most fragile moment of the farm's year.
Minks will give birth to about 6 to 7 kits per litter. Susan must check each cage to ensure no young ones are frozen to death or abandoned by the mother.
Their maternal instinct is very strong. We try not to interfere too much in these first few weeks.
They'll stay with their parents for a short time. But they grow fast, and soon enough, they'll need their own space.
Those that reach a certain size will be moved to another cage. This is the separation stage, a necessary job.
We have to check every single one, which ones to keep for breeding and which ones are for fur. Everything is recorded meticulously. And
đôi khi chúng được chuyển lồng là để giao phối. Chọn lọc di truyền là chìa khóa của ngành này để cải thiện chất lượng lông qua từng năm.
each breeding male has its own code number and pedigree file. Everything is tracked with data. Nothing is accidental here. Whether or not there's a pedigree record, the reality is they are raised entirely in cages. That's the nature of this model. From the moment they are born until they reach maturity, their entire lives unfold within these few square meters.
And the numbers are huge. Each farm like this can have up to 30,000 mink at peak summer season.
Managing 30,000 individuals requires an almost absolute control system, especially regarding health and nutrition. This is Maria. She monitors every cage, recording breeding data, survival rates, and health.
Tất cả dữ liệu đó đều được thống kê và kiểm soát trên máy tính. Chúng tôi phải đảm bảo chúng phát triển tốt và đồng đều.
And to thrive,
they need to eat a lot.
So what do they eat?
Minks are carnivores. Their favorite food is fish. We will grind the fish. This is a byproduct from the fishing industry. Instead of discarding it, we turn it into a source of protein.
It's completely ground
including the bones, to create a highly nutritious fish porridge.
This mixture is then transferred to the packaging line. We have to prepare food for thousands of fish. It's pressed into standard blocks, like giant chocolate bars, for easy handling.
After that, they are frozen. This is for transport to distant locations or for storage during winter when the fish supply is scarce.
Each one of these blocks is a complete meal, carefully calculated for calories and protein. The quality of the food determines the quality of the fur. But that's not all. They also eat dry food, mainly cereals and multivitamin supplements for nutritional balance. We mix these two types together, depending on the stage of the mink's development, to create a perfect mixture.
For farms that do not produce their own feed, it is delivered early every morning from a central plant.
The feed is pumped into these silos, ready for distribution to the warehouses. Everything must be ready before 7 a.m.
And this is feeding time. We call this feed mink. This job happens twice a day, like clockwork. The cage design allows them to eat directly through the mesh. Very efficient and keeps the cage clean. We have many different types of feeding vehicles, depending on the type of barn and the type of feed. Everything is mechanized to the maximum extent.
Precision is crucial. Each mink must receive the same amount of food at the same time.
You have to work quickly because they are very greedy. As soon as they hear the machine, they start to get agitated, waiting for their meal.
Besides fish, they can eat many other types of food, as long as it's finely ground, like slaughterhouse byproducts, grains, vitamins.
Even processed meat products that don't meet human consumption standards. We utilize every source of protein.
Everything is blended into a final formula, ensuring a perfect balance. We call this dinner. The work isn't just about feeding. Keeping them dry and warm is equally important. This machine spreads fresh straw every few days.
Regardless of the weather, sun, or snow, the work must continue. They are creatures of habit.
And as the workday ends,
the farm falls silent. But inside, tens of thousands of lives still await tomorrow.
We have to constantly adjust the environment. Close the curtains at night to keep them warm and open them during the day.
this automatic roll-up curtain system is very important. It protects the mink from drafts while still ensuring fresh air.
Sufficient light and ventilation are crucial. A damp or stuffy environment will immediately breed disease.
Some farms, including ours, are switching to wood shavings. They are more absorbent and less dusty than straw.
Of course, this is also mechanized. We spread a fresh layer right over the old one to create a dry cushion. As you can see, this is a real production line. Every step is optimized. There's no room for wasted time.
At the end of summer, we begin inspections, assessing fur quality, size, and overall health.
In the past, things weren't as modern. They used to be raised in areas like this, much simpler.
The barns are low and long. This is a 70s design. They're still effective, but the operation is more strenuous.
Look at this old design. The cages are raised off the ground. It has one advantage, that they seem easier to clean. Waste falls straight to the ground, and this machine collects it all.
Waste management is a huge issue. Everything has to be processed according to strict EU environmental regulations.
They have no idea what's coming. We try to keep them as calm as possible until the very last moment.
Autumn arrives. The fur has reached its maximum thickness. We conduct the final health check before harvesting.
We weigh them. Weight is an important indicator of their health and development.
All data is recorded. This number will determine the value of the finished product.
And then that day arrives, the mink harvest.
the most controversial phase.
We use carbon dioxide's fur. This is the method required by European law.
The goal is for them to fall asleep, to die quickly and painlessly. That is a humane requirement. The work continues, and the farm cycle begins to prepare for a new season. To understand the value of a product, you have to start at its source. This is Knoll Farm, where every story begins.
The quality of the fur is directly related to the feed. We grow our own barley, ensuring the purest nutrition from the very beginning.
We must maintain this standard. No exceptions.
This is more than just work. This is the 24/7 dedication of people like Jane, who understand their responsibilities.
The process is carried out humanely and quickly. Immediately after, they are taken to a specialized cooling area. Immediate cooling is crucial to preserve skin quality before the pelting process begins.
We begin the pelting process by scraping excess fat from the skin.
Mark is operating the pelting machine. This job requires absolute precision to avoid damaging the skin.
All byproducts are collected. Nothing goes to waste in our process.
This excess fat is transformed. It's used as biodiesel, part of a circular economy.
After pelting, the skins are immediately sent to the cleaning line. Sarah is performing the fleshing step. This is a crucial step in preparation for tanning and drying.
Each worker, like Emily and Jessica, is an expert. They know exactly what the skin needs to achieve the highest quality.
After cleaning, the skin is stretched. Karen calls this the shaping stage, which is very important for durability.
This is a complex industrial process, combining modern machinery and manual skill.
And this is the drying room. Thousands of skins are rigorously controlled for humidity and temperature for many hours. When Kevin confirms they've reached perfect dryness, they're moved to storage to begin sorting.
From the fields to the finished product warehouse. But the skin's journey isn't over yet. Now, they are ready for sorting.
After drying, they are sent to Copenhagen for sorting. This is where the most meticulous work begins.
We label each skin, noting which farm it came from. No two skins are alike.
This barcode is the ID card of the skin. It tracks every movement, every analysis throughout the process.
The volume is immense. Every day, tens of thousands of skins like these are fed into the sorting system.
Initial sorting is done by hand to separate basic skin types before machine processing. Then, they move into the automatic sorting area, one of the most modern systems in the world. Each batch is clearly identified, like this pearl beige batch. Technology ensures no confusion regarding color or type.
After preliminary sorting, they pass through an optical scanner. This technology analyzes what even the most sophisticated human eye cannot see.
Then, we sort them by color by analyzing this data. The machine can identify thousands of color variations that a human eye would miss.
However, technology cannot fully replace decades of experience. DIA Ain is one of our best sorting experts.
My job is to cross-check the machine's data with reality. Sometimes the machine is wrong, but my eyes are not. I ensure
Final quality control is extremely important. It determines the reputation we've built over decades.
Only skins that pass the rigorous inspection of Mr. Harris and his team are allowed to be shipped.
Sometimes the decisive factor is touch. Quality isn't just color, but also the smoothness, the thickness of the underfur that only hands can feel.
Each skin has a unique characteristic, a unique texture.
consistency is key. Fashion designers need hundreds of identical skins. My job is to create those perfect batches.
from pure white, cream, to brown and jet black. Each color is precisely sorted.
This batch is done. Moving on to the next white batch.
I monitor the system. If there are any errors in weight or quantity, I have to stop the line immediately.
After passing all inspections, the batches are transferred to the automatic packaging line. Automation is key to handling enormous volumes. This robot arm is programmed to stack skins uniformly, preparing them for sealing. Each robot arm performs a specific task. Their precision ensures every package has the same weight and quantity.
To protect the skins from moisture and environmental factors during long-distance shipping, they are vacuum-packed.
This is a complex machine, ensuring every package is perfectly sealed.
This seal ensures the quality remains intact until it reached the designers.
Ready to go anywhere in the world. They are perfectly preserved, maintaining their quality as if they just left the sorting workshop. Even boxing is fully automated. Steve is overseeing the carton erecting system.
The system will select the correct box size for each batch, starting with box preparation.
Safety and efficiency are our top priorities at every stage.
This robot arm stacks packages into boxes, ensuring stability and optimizing space, minimizing damage during transit. Each carton is held in place to ensure precise lid sealing and labeling.
The final stage in the factory, sealing and strapping. These cartons are now ready for their intercontinental journey.
Thousands of orders are processed every day, all tracked by the system.
From the Wisconsin farm to this warehouse, and now, they are on their way to the world's leading fashion houses and workshops.
A giant machine powered by human dedication and technological precision.
And this is the final destination for the batches we just saw. From the factory, they are transferred to the hands of leading artisans and designers.
You see, unlike fabric, with fur, you only get one chance to sew it correctly. There's no room for error.
That white coat design was incredible. I have to have it in my collection.
Each design is a statement, expressing softness, warmth, and timeless beauty that no other material can match.
From raw material through the hands of artisans, they become wearable works of art, showcased on the most prestigious runways.
From the barley fields of Wisconsin to the runways of New York, a journey of quality.
It's unbelievably soft. I'll take this one.